Hey guys, it's your girl Eva and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be creating these 5 looks that I'll be showing how to pull it off on a bad hair day. And here I am showing you how greasy it is, but let's fix it. Let's become dry to fab, shall we? So for today's look, I'll be parting my hair from the middle and combing it through and removing all the knots that I have in my hair. Well, I've had bad hair day because I'm going through ear infection and I'm not supposed to take a hair shower. So I thought, why not do this? Now taking the rat tail comb, I'm just gonna make my middle partition a little more precise. Take the hair from your eyebrow, and where your eyebrow ends is where you take your hair and go towards your crown area and just pull out your hair behind. Now for someone who doesn't like a messy look, so go ahead with the comb and just comb it through, but I really like the messy look, so I will not be using the comb. Now taking the hair tie, I will just tie up the ponytail and just tighten it up. Also, I will make sure that the middle partition is a little bit more precise. I like how the lines look. It just comes through really well, and I like how messy it looks, yet so cool. If you're somebody who's not a huge fan of middle partition, that's completely okay. You don't have to do this step. Now taking a little tiny section from my hair, I'm just gonna wrap around this on my tie so that that is not visible. And then taking a U-pin, I'm just gonna tuck that section in. And yeah. So for the second look, this is the exact same thing, but instead of just leaving my hair, I'm gonna make a bun out of the ponytail and I'm just gonna secure it with a couple of U-pins. And after you're done pinning your hair, make sure you pull a little bit of the hair out and make it a little loose. Now I have a lot of baby hair, so I'll be using this oil replacement by Pantene. You can use it as a styling cream, as a serum. I'll be taking a little bit and I'll be just applying it on my baby hair and just try to seal that in. And here we are. Well, for the third look, you have to take a side partition. I lost the footage of the first twist that I did on my hair, so I'll be showing you how I did this twist. You just have to take a section of your hair and just twist it and pin it behind your ears. That's all you have to do, and I will show it to you here now. The partition which has very less hair, when you do the side partition, that looks very flat when you're having a bad hair day. So it's good to do something like this, or if you're somebody who knows how to braid your hair, you can go ahead with braids. But yeah, this looks cool. You can wear this for party and yeah, rock the look. Now the fourth look is super simple. You need to have a middle partition. Once that's done, part your hair from the middle to your ear and make 2 sections each and tie up all the remaining hair behind just for a minute. Once that's done, take your hair, tuck it behind your ears and just tie a ponytail. Once that tiny ponytail is done, remove your hair and just comb it. Going again with the Pantene oil replacement, I'll take a little amount of that and we'll just seal in all those baby hair. I struggle with a lot of baby hair, so you see I'm gonna be loading myself with a lot of cream. And for the last and final look, it's a very sleek bun. You just have to take all your hair, just take it up and pull it up to your crown area, and just run your fingers through your hair and make sure that it's all nice and clean. Comb it through and just make it look very neat and very effortless. Now just twist your hair and make sure that you have your index finger and your middle finger locked and just wrap it around that. Again, twist the remaining ends and just tuck it in. I'll be taking a hair tie to secure this. Before you put the hair tie, make sure you remove your fingers and just nicely secure this. After that's done, I will be going in with the comb and just making it look neat. Now taking the U-pins, I will just secure it in. Again, going in with the oil replacement, I'll be putting it on all the baby hair that I have. For the looks that I've created, I've not used any dry shampoo. If you need some spray, go ahead with rose water, that's the best. I hope you like this look. Make sure to check the description box for all the details and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I really hope you enjoyed this video and you liked all the looks that I've created. Until next time, bye bye.